Right then guys, so we have travelled down the road. We've been to this area before, done a couple of videos, but never in this part of it before. And a couple of people have said to us about coming here and doing a video. So today we're down in Los Alcázares. Los Alcázares, people call it different things, but for us it's Los Alcázares. And we're down and we're going to show you the 525 square or the 525 strip. So the 525 is the hotel, and there's a nice set of bars, restaurants and bits and pieces in the strip or the square around it, all sorts of different bits and pieces. So a couple of people have said about it, so we're going to go down and show you it. It's like a little mini plaza type thing. There's a couple of nice places around. So the 525 is just over there, the hotel. Just over the other side of the road over there, that side, you've got El Patio 2, which is a pretty well-renowned steakhouse around here. So we'll show you around the area and see what's about. So this is just the entrance in. Loads of different bits and pieces. Banks, little supermarket there. A few different restaurants. I'll give you a tour around and you can see what's what around here. Yeah. Even the Burger King. So I should imagine it's a lot quite nice and lively of a night time down in the area. Well, there's a load of bars and restaurants and bits and pieces. Currency exchanges, your estate agents, your Burger King. Some nice looking restaurants. People out and enjoying the sun. Everybody out and enjoying the sunshine here at the minute. A couple of different places now. We used to have one of them. This is what was the consume economy cash. There used to be one of those down and in Torrevieja, which is now, like I say, the consume. So we'll try and avoid showing you all the estate agents, because obviously you know some estate agents that are much better. Casa España back in Torrevieja, they're the people you want to be speaking to. People all out having their breakfast and stuff. It's a nice little area, to be fair. Got the Tipsy Thistle there. Probably won't catch that in time, but airplanes buzzing past. So obviously just down the road from here, not far, is the airport. St Javier Airport, which is on the Marmaleur. That's obviously where they're buzzing into, because that's now just purely a military place, military airport. So So this is the first square type bit, then it goes further down, presumably down there, into where the, that's probably more of the strip part of it. So we'll show you down there in a minute. A couple of nice pizza places and a couple of places up the top. And that big building there, hopefully that'll come out to up in the air and in the sun. That's actually the 525 hotel. So. Frozen repairs done. So some of these places, it's only just coming up to just gone 1 o'clock, so some of these places ain't open, and some of them probably won't even be open until later on this evening. So, got to be honest, there's some really nice looking places down here, to be fair. Might have to stop and get a drink or something somewhere. It's all plenty of little like bars, restaurants, cafes. Mexican? Where's the Mexican? Well, that'll be there's the Mexican there. Got a menu of the day in the Mexican, so. €17 for a menu of the day. Starters, mains, seafood, Mexican grill, fajitas. Quite a big old menu. And then right next door to it, you've got there's a Chinese. Looking down there, that's going to be the obligatory Irish bar, which will no doubt be in Shamrock or something like that. Murphy's on draft. Got to drive home, so I can't sample the Murphy's. It's actually a really nice little area around here, to be fair. Down here. Some of they're quite big places as well, some of them, aren't they? Yeah. it for a little Toro keyring. Just got to find the right initials or something apparently. So there's loads of these like little shops down there, like little gifty shops selling bits and pieces and knickknacks, and some of them are quite nice. So that is basically the Los Alcázares square come strip. Bit of both, to be honest. It's kind of a square when you first move in, then it converts back more to a strip towards the end. Loads of bars, restaurants and bits and pieces in there. It's really nice. I'd love to come down here at the weekend. You were saying it might be worth having a look at the 525 and seeing if we can get booked in one weekend. Come down here and have a Friday and Saturday night down here and see what it's like. So all the bars and restaurants, I should imagine it's really quite lively down this area. So if you've been down here and you can recommend anywhere for us to go, bar, restaurant, wherever it may be, let us know what you'd recommend. Leave a comment down below and tell us where you think is good to go. At the moment there's loads of airplanes buzzing around, so if you can hear it again, that's what that is. That's have you won a prize, love? Yeah. So yeah, that is the area. We're just going to have a walk back up to the top bit of it, the square area, go and find somewhere nice to get something to eat. There's a couple of nice places down there. Some of the prices do tend to be a little bit more on the expensive side, so like a 3-course meal there is like 18, nearly 19 euros, but I'm sure the quality will be very good. So we'll have a wander up and find somewhere we fancy which looks lively, and then we'll stop and we'll grab ourselves a drink. So we've just come down and we've stopped in what is called the Tipsy Thistle, where we're just going to stop, grab ourselves a cold drink, Fanta or something along those lines. Because it is actually a bit warm now. When I'm sat here in a hoodie, I'm actually really hot, so it's really nice out there at the moment, the weather. So fingers crossed, let's get ourselves a cold drink and then we'll show you out the area and what else is around. So just looking around, lots of people eating, so there's anything from people having their cooked breakfast to other bits and pieces. So there's also a couple just as you come in that have got what looks to be a rather tasty afternoon tea, so with sandwiches, cakes, scones and bits and pieces like that. It does look very nice, to be fair. I won't try and film it because I don't want to invade on their private moment sitting there in the quiet, but it does look very nice, all the food down there. It does smell very nice as well, so definitely worth stopping in. Right then guys, forget expensive resort fees. On this channel the sun is always out, the vibe is high and the entry is completely free, so just hit subscribe and dive right in.